This is unbelievable. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, has just hinted at a massive plan that could completely change the future of Shiba Inu and possibly set it on the path toward that dream target of 1 cent. The community is buzzing, whales are already scrambling, and reports say almost 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are on the move. That kind of activity is not normal. It's usually the prelude to something big. So what exactly is going on, and why is everyone suddenly paying attention again? Let's break it all down step by step. First, a quick disclaimer. The crypto market is volatile and unpredictable. Nothing shared here is financial advice, so make sure you always do your own research before making decisions with your money. Now, before we get into Kusama's revelation, there's been a lot of chatter about Meme Pro, a trading platform that surfaced in 2025. According to their site, it was built by traders from a private forum dedicated to meme and fan tokens. They claim to provide AI-driven trading bots designed specifically for meme coins. Meme Pro positions itself as a UK-registered proprietary trading company and advertises 2 simple plans. A basic plan offering 110% after 24 hours and an elite plan promising 120% after 24 hours. There's even a calculator on their website that lets users estimate returns. Deposits and withdrawals appear straightforward, with one example showing a $200 withdrawal processed within a minute. Now, whether platforms like these live up to their promises is always up for debate, and as always, caution is key. Crypto can be risky, and while technology-driven solutions can sound impressive, no system is foolproof. Still, it shows how fast the meme coin space is evolving, and it provides context for why Shiba Inu's next move could be groundbreaking. Back to Satoshi Kusama. The big news is that he's preparing to unveil a fundamentals-driven plan for Shiba Inu. This isn't about short-term hype or empty promises. It's about building real utility and generating actual revenue streams. Kusama emphasized that revenue is the backbone of any project's long-term success. In his words, token pumps can't sustain a project forever. What Shiba Inu needs is sustainable income and utility that makes people want to use it in everyday life. That's where the speculation begins. Some insiders, including respected community members like Luis Delgado, believe this could be the turning point. Delgado even responded to Kusama with a powerful line, "If you build it, they will run." It's a signal that the community is ready to rally behind something more concrete than memes. We already have some clues about what Kusama might be referring to. The Shiba Inu development team has been working on major infrastructure projects for years now. One of the most ambitious is Shiba OS, a full-fledged operational system that's reportedly gaining recognition even from governments, including the UAE. If Shiba Inu's technology is catching the attention of real-world institutions, that's a serious step forward. On top of that, Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 blockchain solution, is picking up steam. It already holds millions in total value locked and is steadily gaining adoption. Developers are building on it, users are transacting daily, and the ecosystem is slowly becoming self-sustaining. For a project once dismissed as just another meme coin, these developments show clear progress. And as if that wasn't enough, whales are making their move. Right after Kusama's announcement, reports surfaced that whale investors scooped up over 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth roughly $100 million. That is not casual trading, that's a massive vote of confidence. When whales accumulate at that scale, it often signals that they're anticipating a major development. And in crypto, whales usually move early, before the rest of the market catches on. This surge in whale activity has also triggered a wave of on-chain signals. Analysts are reporting a bullish divergence forming in Shiba Inu's price action. The MACD, a crucial technical indicator, has flipped in a way that points to a possible trend reversal. Even more exciting, the 50-day moving average has just crossed above the 200-day moving average, a golden cross, one of the most bullish signals in technical analysis. Historically, golden crosses have marked the beginning of huge rallies. To put it simply, momentum is building. Whale accumulation, bullish technical signals, and Kusama's major update are all aligning at the same time. Analysts are starting to say this could be the foundation for Shiba Inu's next big rally, maybe even the start of a new long-term trend. Now, let's address the big question. Could this actually push Shiba Inu toward that 1 cent goal? On the surface, it sounds insane. For Shiba Inu to reach 1 cent with its current supply, the market cap would have to be in the trillions. More than double the entire crypto market today. But here's the thing. Shiba Inu is no longer just about price speculation. It's about ecosystem growth, real adoption, and strategic token burns that could gradually reduce supply over time. If the devs deliver on Kusuma's vision of creating sustainable revenue and utility, the road to 1 cent might not be as impossible as it seems. Even if we take a step back from that moonshot target, the short-term picture looks incredibly promising. Just in early June, Shiba Inu's transaction volume exploded to 24 trillion tokens. Whale activity jumped by more than 600%, a massive surge that rarely happens without something brewing behind the scenes. Market analysts are saying this combination of whale accumulation, bullish signals, and community excitement could set the stage for a strong price run in the weeks ahead. Meanwhile, the fundamentals are stronger than ever. The ecosystem now boasts over 1.5 million holders. That's a massive community base compared to smaller projects. Lucy, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, highlighted this point, saying Shiba Inu isn't fragile or dependent on a tiny group of holders who could vanish overnight. Instead, it's a battle-tested community that has weathered multiple cycles, crashes, and waves of hype. That kind of resilience matters when building for the future. Lucy also pointed to Shibarium as the next big driver of growth. The tools are already here, the infrastructure is in place, and now it's up to the community to fully embrace it. As more people transact on Shibarium, the ecosystem becomes stronger, more valuable, and harder to ignore. When you combine all of this, the whale activity, Kusuma's teaser about revenue-driven fundamentals, bullish chart signals, and the resilience of the Shiba Inu army, you get a clear picture. Shiba Inu isn't just surviving. It's gearing up to lead the next wave of the crypto market. So what does this mean for investors and holders? It means we're standing at a critical crossroads. In the short term, volatility will be high. Massive movements in volume and whale activity almost guarantee sharp price swings. But in the long term, the groundwork being laid today could define Shiba Inu's future for years to come. The truth is, nobody can predict the exact timing of Shiba Inu's breakout. But all the pieces are aligning in a way that makes it hard to ignore. If the past has taught us anything, it's that the biggest moves often happen when the community least expects it. And with Kusuma dropping hints of a serious plan focused on fundamentals, whales diving in, and bullish signals lighting up the charts, the stage is set for something big. So, is 1 cent still a dream? Maybe. But dreams in crypto have a funny way of becoming reality faster than people expect. And if Shiba Inu continues on this path, strengthening its ecosystem, expanding utility, and keeping its community united, then maybe, just maybe, 1 cent isn't so far-fetched after all. But what do you think about this? Do you believe Kusuma's plan could really change everything for Shiba Inu? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on every major development, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because missing out on the next Shiba Inu update could cost you big. Also, share this video with as many people as you can. The bigger the Shiba Inu army grows, the stronger the project becomes.